Hello and welcome to Hashtag Friday Sews. I'm Lisa Ann Spencer. It's good to be back. I have very little to show you this week. I did do a tiny bit of sewing since I saw you a month ago because I've been really busy with the move, but I'll show you what I did, and then also I've ordered some fabric and I will be opening that. So if you're interested in seeing this, please stay tuned. All right, I mentioned a while back, maybe last time, about wanting to sew some scrunchies with some of the scraps of fabric from the tops and dresses that I had made. So I did make a couple of those. Not sure if y'all remember this fall bouquet fabric that I made a top with, but I did make a little scrunchie with a tie that hangs down. And this one was pretty easy to make. You just make a 3-inch rectangle, and I have one cut out here. And honestly, I cannot remember how long that is. Maybe 15 inches long. Looks like it's a little bit over 12 by 3 inches wide. Sew it into a loop, put your elastic through, connect it on the end, and then I think this is 24 inches, 3 inches wide. How did I make it? I folded it, turned it inside out after sewing it, cut the ends on an angle so that you had a little point at the end, and then I just looped it over the existing scrunchie. So pretty easy to make. I don't have any special instructions to share for that. My daughter makes these. She does Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle hair scrunchies in the bright colors of all the 4 Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. So she's the one that told me how she makes these. This is the little skirt that my youngest daughter, I just finished for her not long ago. It needs to be pressed, but made that one for her, this one for me, and then I've got a couple more cut out to sew. And then I made this really unique scrunchie. It's a double layer, it's serged on the end, and I got this style from a tutorial on YouTube, which I will link in the description box below. This is really my favorite. I like the look of these, and honestly you could do 4 layers instead of just 2 and making it a little bit fluffier if you like. But this is the fabric from my daughter's dress, the chiffon, and it turned out really nicely. I got people creeping up the stairs around me. You can't come over here right now.
I just need my headphones.
Can you get on your bed and get on your bed, babe, and grab them? We are a little crowded up here in our loft. I had to move my sewing machine from over there to make room for the girls' beds, desk, dressers, my office desk, and other pieces of furniture. So we're quite cozy here in the loft. And the open, let me see, I'll turn and show you. When you look this way, you see there's the loft. It looks down over the living room. Can you see that? So it's wide open to the kitchen, living room, and all the house. So makes it a little difficult to video, which is another reason why I really haven't done much videoing or sewing, but I have been busy. All right, so I ordered some material, and I'm ashamed to say this. Today's Wednesday. I just cannot video on a Friday. That's another reason I haven't been having Hashtag Friday Sews videos, is because Friday is a busy day for me, and it's just never going to happen. Every Friday I said, maybe this Friday, maybe this Friday. Yeah, it's not going to happen. Today's Wednesday. I'm dressed for church. It works out nicely, and I have a little bit of time that I can actually do this. So my aunt's birthday is Friday. I was really hoping to have her a present sewn by now, but she understands. She knows that I've been busy. But I did order some fabric from Spoonflower. I did not realize when I ordered it that it is printed fabric instead of dyed. Not that I mind, but I was kind of in a hurry and didn't pay attention. Look, I'm opening it right now. Didn't even see me. This has been setting here for 3 weeks. So Spoonflower. It's in this pretty little sleeve of paper. Seems a bit excess. But here is the print. This is this Martin, which is our maiden name, Tartan, and I've got 2 yards of it, and I love it. So what I am going to do for my aunt, and this won't be a birthday present, it'll have to be Christmas or between times. I bought a simplicity pattern. You see here, 8419. It is a pretty easy poncho. Looking at maybe this view B here. Is that B? Yes, it is. And I bought from Hobby Lobby some flannel navy blue. I thought that that would be a good coordinating color, and I think because this is cotton, 100% cotton, that it won't be thick enough or feel pleasant enough for a poncho, and it's white on the back because it's printed. So I will fully line it with the navy blue and make this as a gift for my aunt for birthday/Christmas. And if I can get this done by Christmas, it'll be a Christmas miracle, because it's still kind of busy around here. We are fully moved in, like no more boxes, but we do still have a lot of stuff in the garage, and still taking stuff to put it in storage. Also, you know, getting new veterinarians, getting new dentists for 7 people, getting new eye doctors. All these things, they take time. It's never convenient, and it really disrupts the normal flow of things. So this week has been almost my first normal week, so I am hoping to be able to get back into sewing on a regular basis and making these videos, and also being able to catch up watching #Friday Sews, because I miss seeing what you ladies are doing. So for now, I'm back. I'm not sure if I'll be back next Friday or not. When I do finish this poncho, I will certainly want to show that to you. Oh, and I mentioned that I had ordered a digital pattern. Not digital, it is a digital pattern, but from a company that it's printed for you. It's that Bell, I can't remember the name of it. I showed a picture in the last video. They canceled my order. They said, you know, first it was delayed, and I was really wanting that dress, and with that not showing up, that really took away some of my motivation. But so what I'm going to do is maybe bite the bullet and actually buy a digital pattern. I have my copier and my printer set up here now in the rental house, so you know, first time for everything, give that a try and print out my own pattern. If I do that, I'll be motivated to buy some more material and get a new dress made. So it's good to see you guys. Thanks for stopping by. I do hope that I'll see you again soon. And by the way, don't forget to check out Jen's channel, Today in Jen's Sewing Room, who is the hostess of this hashtag. Thanks, and see you next time.